Thank you, Chair Creighton, members. My name is Paige Duggins-Clay. I'm the Chief Legal Analyst at IDRA, here to oppose Senate Bill 1798. IDRA opposes Senate Bill 1798 because it would exclude Texas Dreamers, in addition to a whole lot of other potential students, from the promise of accessing in-state tuition here in Texas or receiving state financial aid. The bill, as my colleague said, unwisely reneges on our commitment and our promise of access to higher ed made to our state students, the commitment made by our state's founders in 1876, recognizing the need of higher education in our Constitution. And it really shortchanges Texas taxpayers and all of us who have invested in a robust system of public K-12 and higher education. One thing I want to focus on today is that this part of this policy, there I think are some various motivations underlying it, but it really is going to have a big impact not only on our amazing, hardworking Dreamer students and families, but a whole lot of other Texans who benefit from the in-state high school graduation pathway. I'm happy to share some examples of that, but this legislation was actually amended in 2005 to specifically ensure that all sorts of Texans, including Texans who could not legally domicile in our state and but were nonetheless residing and going to our schools, people like young people who might have parents who live out of state but live in the state with their grandparents who are taxpayers and going to Texas public high schools, people who, students who are long-term boarders who maybe they live with their parents elsewhere and are domiciled out of state but go to our high schools. And so we're really concerned, in addition to the tremendous harmful impact on our economy, on the access to opportunity, and the promise we've made to all of our young people, that we're actually going to be sweeping in a whole lot of other hardworking Texans as well. And so what's bad for Dreamers is bad for all of us, and we urge you to oppose this bill. Thank you.